There was a time we couldn't even cough like that. That was back to back. That was a concerning cough. I don't know if y'all remember a time where you only got one cough per row and that was it. If you felt a tickle in your throat, you had to grab it and massage it out. Ha ha ha, hoo hoo hoo, hee hee hee. Please don't judge me, please don't judge me, please don't judge me. Sir, it leads to concerns. At one point, news had us so scared, we watched to see how people cough, like a deer caught in headlights. As soon as we heard, I saw somebody at Applebee's grab their chest, lean forward and cough. I said, oh, that's the Delta variant right there. You know it's bad when you cough and your knees move. There goes another one.